meditation with essential oil. Today, I'll be focusing on throat chakra. With this essential oil, breathe. Breathe is a wonderful essential oil blend for respiratory system. It smells very minty, and when I smell it, inhale it, it really opens up my airway to help me with my throat. I like to put a drop on my palm, rub it, and just cup it. Cup it in my hand and cover my entire nose and inhale it all the way deep into my body and soul. And it massages over my neck, front and back. Really feel that essential oil help me with meditation. Today's going to be a short 5-minute 7 chakra balance meditation.
Check that you are breathing in and breathing out for the same length of time. Let's do this for 3 rounds. Now that you have tuned into the breath, we are going to use this breath to heal our chakras. Let's begin. Visualize the area at the base of your spine. Here lies the root or Muladhara chakra. Take your breath deep and low into this space. Moving up to just behind the navel. Here lies your sacral or Swadhisthana chakra. Let's breathe healing breath into this chakra. Moving further up to the base of the rib cage. Here lies our solar plexus or the Manipura chakra. Let your breath touch this space. Moving further up towards our heart. Here lies the heart center or the Anahata chakra. Breathe expansively to heal this chakra. And moving up further to the throat. Here lies the throat chakra or the Vishuddhi. Breathing into the Vishuddhi, healing the Vishuddhi. Moving further up to the space between your eyebrows. Here lies your third eye or the Agnya chakra. Take your breath up to the space between the eyebrows to activate your third eye. And then, towards the crown of your head lies the Sahasrara chakra or your crown chakra. Take your awareness to the crown of your head. Breathing healing light. Now visualize all your chakras in one line in good alignment. Imagine white radiant healing light spreading from the crown to the third eye, to the throat, through the heart, through your solar plexus, through the Swadhisthana and into the root chakra. Allow this white, radiant, healing light to bathe all the chakras and balance them. As you take one more breath here, imagine all your chakras in this beautiful, radiant white light, getting healed and balanced. When you are ready, slowly bring your palms together and rub them, gently covering your eyes under the warm hollows of your palm. See if you can notice any colors in the dark space under your palms. Make a note of this color. Gently blink your eyelids open when you're ready. Watching the space in front of your ankles as you place the palms back onto your knees. And welcome back.
Today, with the quick 5-minute guidance, I didn't see a lot of colors very vaguely, but with the help of breathe, the essential oil breathe, what I did is I can sense my focus was sending the air, sending the breath to each chakra. I can really feel it. It's here, it's the heart, it's that throat, it's my third eye, it's my crown. And I focus at the end to see the white light, to connect all the chakra with my breath. I speak and I communicate. See you tomorrow for root chakra focus with the essential oil patchouli.